Well, this is the 250 Years of America paint scheme edition, apparently. Not totally sure what all is going on there. We got the HEMI back, though. Oh, we also got the pewter wheels. Pewter wheels on here. So we got the pewters. We got the 5-liter engine in there with the 7. Very nice sparkly black gloss grille, which is very, very beautiful. Pewter wheels once again. Beautiful look at America on the side. Oh, we got special. So this is a Laramie. See if we can open. Oh, yes, we can. So Laramie, we got 250 in the seats there. That is sweet. It looks pretty good to me. That's a cool idea. I like that, yeah. And then you got 250 there on the hood graphic as well, which is really, really cool. But a very nice looking truck. Oh, that has a lot of space back there. Also, you can fit about everything down there. Cup holder. Oh yeah, you can definitely fit all 40-ounce mugs right here. You also got your cup holder in the door over there on that side. And as I said, you can fit just about anything in these side doors. That's awesome. Take a look at the back here. Once again, plenty of space. We got this right here. Also, you got your nice wood finish right here. USB-Cs once again. We got the whole back seat that opens. I like that feature. I like that better than something that's in the seat coming down. I think that works a little bit better. Also, there might be a safety thing to this as well, where this being solid versus being this right here coming out. I bet there's a safety feature that works a little bit better for that, but still nice. So I just thought about this, so take a look, Todd. So before, you had the extra panel right here that was hard, that would come out of this seat. So I'm thinking there must be a safety thing. So this way, it's all one solid piece for you to actually sit behind. And then you have the option to do things with it. So I'm thinking that's probably why they changed that. Just an interesting thought, because it did seem like whenever you sat on it, it was very hard to the back. Yes, I saw that.
Did you see that?
Yep, I saw that. Watch that again.
The door skin shakes when you close the door.
That's very pliable. Wow. Yeah. Nice graphic, but very pliable. Yeah, I know. It's got the sparkle flakes in all of the black trim, which is definitely pretty cool. But the pewter wheels.
That's still a nice look.
Yeah. The pewter wheels are definitely very, very cool, though. Like that. Take a look at the back. Anything special back here? Nope. Just a regular bit. That's. Oh, I think we got a special finish on the tailpipes there.
Yeah.
That looks good.
That's how it's black.
Take a look at that. Yeah, maybe. That's good. I definitely like that one. Alright guys, that is it for the content on this video, but we got more coming for the car show as well, so make sure you check out those videos. Either you're going to be in a playlist or on the video somewhere over by Todd's face over there. So anyways, check those videos out and we'll see you here next time. Bye-bye.